In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure the Enter key on WhatsApp Web. Navigating through the various functionalities of WhatsApp Web can significantly enhance your user experience, especially when it comes to something as frequent as sending messages. Have you ever wished to tailor your typing experience to better suit your habits, particularly regarding the use of the Enter key to send messages? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into how you can adjust the behavior of the Enter key right on WhatsApp Web, ensuring every message you send aligns perfectly with your typing preferences. First off, head over to your favorite web browser. It doesn't matter if you're a Chrome enthusiast, a Firefox fan, or even a Safari supporter. WhatsApp Web works seamlessly across all platforms. Once you've fired up your browser, navigate to the WhatsApp Web homepage. You can simply do this by typing in web.whatsapp.com into your browser's address bar. Upon loading the page, you'll be greeted by the familiar WhatsApp QR code. Go ahead and use your phone to scan this QR code, which will effectively log you into your WhatsApp account directly from your web browser. With your WhatsApp now open on your desktop, let's move on to the heart of today's tutorial, configuring the Enter key. Look towards the upper left corner of your WhatsApp web interface. Here you'll find three vertical dots aligned vertically, right beside your profile picture. This is the gateway to your settings menu. With a gentle click on these dots, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing several options. For today's purpose, you want to click on the Settings option. It's usually located near the bottom of this drop-down menu. After clicking on Settings, you'll be brought to the Settings page, where various customization options await your exploration. However, our focus today is specifically on chat settings. Among the list of settings options, find and click on the Chats section. This is where WhatsApp houses all preferences related to your messaging experience, including wallpaper settings, chat backups, and, importantly, the behavior of the Enter key. Now that you're in the chat section, look for the option labeled Enter is Send. This critical feature dictates what happens when you press the Enter key while typing out a message in WhatsApp Web. By default, WhatsApp is designed to recognize the Enter key as a means to add a new line in your message. However, if you're someone who prefers streamlined communication and loves the idea of hitting Enter to instantly send your message, this is where you make that change. Upon locating the Enter is Send option, you will notice a toggle next to it. If the toggle is off, pressing Enter adds a new line. However, by clicking on this toggle and turning it on, you switch the functionality of the Enter key to immediately send your messages upon pressing Enter. It's a subtle change, but it can dramatically speed up your messaging, making conversations flow faster, especially for quick exchanges. Once you've toggled the Enter is Send option to your preference, the change takes effect immediately. There's no need to save or confirm. WhatsApp Web intuitively adapts to your choice on the fly. From this moment on, your Enter key behaves exactly as you've configured it. If you ever find yourself needing to revert back or adjust this setting again, simply follow the same steps to toggle the option off or on. Before we wrap up, here's a small tip. Getting used to this new Enter key behavior may take a little time if you're accustomed to the default setting. If you find yourself needing to add a new line without sending the message, no worries. Just hold the Shift key and then press Enter. This allows you to insert a new line even with the Enter is Send feature enabled. And there you have it. You've successfully configured the Enter key behavior on WhatsApp Web to suit your messaging style better. This simple yet effective customization can enhance your chatting experience, making it more efficient and tailored to your preferences. I hope this guide has been helpful. Whether you're messaging for work, staying in touch with loved ones, or coordinating plans, being able to control even the smallest details like the Enter key behavior can make your digital communication just a bit smoother. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher or want to change back the settings. Happy messaging, and see you in the next tutorial.